yields have not been doing really well recently, but airdrop points can actually help you with those yields and ROI for your investments. So in this video, we're going to talk all about ROI on points and on airdrops and what you can do with your USD assets to farm with it. So let's start with it. So first of all, I'd like to congratulate everyone that has been farming the lighter airdrop. Has been quite a successful airdrop, to be honest. I think the lit token price has been trading quite well, 2.77 right now. So it means like around $30 per point. So if you farm like 10 points, you'll get like a bunch, like $300 or something, or even more if you're holding, and this will appreciate in price. So congratulations for lit farmer. Yeah, there's no harm in claiming or taking profits at all at these levels, but yeah, everything you do is your financial decision and it is not a financial advice. But yeah, congratulations on it. And if you want more alpha and more information, the latest protocol launches, new protocol launches, early protocol launches, or protocols without tokens that are doing points program, you can always visit our website news.todayindefi.com and read our free newsletter. You can just click it right here and you can access our free newsletter daily, 100% free, and will always be 100% free, and can get all the latest info and updates on DeFi and even on airdrops and new farms. So yeah, let's get to the next one. So USD1 has been trending quite lately, and it's quite reasonable seeing the amount of incentives and lending APR that Dolomite has been offering here. For example, even for the massive 3.2 million supplied on USD1 stake liquidity, you can still gain 6.75 with rewards, and the rewards are claimable weekly, so you can claim the $0 rewards on their dashboard, on their protocol quite seamlessly. And yeah, it's not only USD1, you can see here USDC, you can get 12% APR with 10% of it being $0 rewards. And yeah, you can pick on all the other assets as long as you're familiar with the risk. For example, here are low risk assets like ETH, USD1, USDC, USDT. This one has low rewards, but Rep ETH here has 6.69% $0 rewards, so this is quite decent APR for the current market conditions. So this is for Dolomite. You can claim your rewards weekly here on the rewards dashboard. And next one, we have a new, this is not too new, but it's relatively new. It's only 1 month after launch. It launches with the 20 million TVL initially, and right now, just last week, it grew over like 50 million in the past week. And if we're seeing why, they're not announcing, but they have this points dashboard on their protocol, on their website. And yeah, 100,000 points every week to predict volume or even holding rewards for each bet. So for example here, I'm gonna teach you how to make volume with minimal risk on opinion here. And please do note that everything is not a financial advice, and if you would like more details about how to make money in prediction markets, you can always visit our YouTube right here on our website. Let me show you right here on our latest videos, and you can always browse through our latest videos here and access this video on the technical details and how to make money in the prediction markets. And yeah, opinion is one of it, and it's right now doing points program. So for example, here you can search to the trending, and you can see here this is quite what people may say quite silly bet, but you can actually make volume for this. So if you vote for no, you will gain like a very small APR or a very small return, but you'll actually make volume. And if you scroll through their points here, you have to trade like at least $200 weekly to earn this 100k piece of rewards. So yeah, it's minimal, it's not free, but it's relatively small to farm, especially if you can spam on low risk trending bets like the one I mentioned before. So that's for opinion. Next, we got this quite established reinsurance protocol on Ethereum, and right now they're still ongoing their points program here to hold their insurance alpha here to earn daily 5x RE points and also Ethena points here. And you can scroll through their dashboard and see the amount of APR that they're currently having for each of their assets here. For example, the Basis Plus, which is their junior tranche, and Insurance Alpha, which is their senior tranche. And if you're quite unfamiliar with reinsurance protocols, it's quite a complicated one, to be honest. And I think this is quite a promising protocol judging from the growth of APY, because if you can see here, it's a quite massive protocol, 250 million only on Ethereum. And yeah, even through market fluctuations and volatility, it doesn't go anywhere. in TVL. So it's showing resilience in maintaining its TVL, and I think it means something for the protocol. And I think big money probably and should have known more than us if they're farming these rewards without any fluctuations here. Yeah, this is what they're offering right now. If you cannot value the risk of this asset, you can always trade the Pendle YTs if they are in a discount to earn daily 30x points and plus 5x Ethereum points here, or some more advanced LP positions. Yeah, we showed you resolved last week, and it's still earning like a 9% APR on top of rewards. And we have some strategies that we are showing in our premiums that help you multiply these rewards even more efficiently and even more APR. So more APR and more rewards, but yeah, a little more risk, but it's a risk-adjusted farm. We're recommending you to not put all of your assets into one farm because it's probably not a good idea, and it's never a good idea. So what we're trying to do here is to farm long term and to accrue these points as ROIs, return on investments on your money, and we're focusing on blue chip assets like USDC or even volatile assets like ETH that will accrue value and accrue points towards time. So what we're dealing here is with time. You cannot time the market like every time. What we're doing here is we accrue points and chase the rewards here. And yeah, here's one more. This is a new product from Aarnâ. So Aarnâ is a relatively new protocol. The TVL is below 1 million, so you are still quite early if you want to farm these points. Yeah, for right now, it's only 10% APY only on USDC, so it's 10% USDC rewards. But yeah, there will be some incentives that will be added soon because this is a newly launched product, or vaults. Here, if you can see, some vaults are actually giving rewards here, like this one. See, 3.39 is ASRT. We will not know, and there's no guarantee that the new products will receive those rewards, but it's good to catch out, and it's also a good APR for a basic USDC asset. Yeah, that's it for this airdrop from Alpha. If you would like to know more about what we are offering and what we are suggesting, or more advanced farming guides, you can always subscribe for our premiums. And yeah, I'll see you in our next video.